How do you turn on airplane mode on a phone for text messaging?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to take a look at a very handy feature on your mobile phone, which is the airplane mode. This feature can be particularly useful when you need to stop incoming calls and texts, save battery, or avoid interruptions during meetings. Specifically, we will walk through how to activate airplane mode on both Android and iOS devices.
What is airplane mode?
Airplane mode is a setting on mobile devices that disables its wireless communication capabilities. This means that when activated, your phone will stop receiving calls, messages, and internet data. This mode got its name because it's especially useful when flying, as it stops your phone from trying to connect to cellular networks.
How to enable airplane mode on an Android device?
To activate airplane mode on an Android phone, follow the steps below. 1. Unlock your device and swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. 2. You will see a series of quick settings icons. Find the airplane icon, which represents the airplane mode. 3. Tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. You'll know it's on when the icon is highlighted or colored in.
How to enable airplane mode on an iOS device?
For those of you with an iPhone, the process is quite similar. 1. Unlock your iPhone and swipe up from the bottom of the screen, or down from the top right corner on iPhone 10 and newer, to open the control center. 2. Find the airplane icon, which is the symbol for airplane mode. 3. Tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. The icon will turn orange when it's activated. Turning on airplane mode on your device is a quick and simple process, regardless of whether you're using an Android or iOS device. It's a helpful tool for avoiding disturbances, especially when you want to focus on something or when you're in an environment where cellular signals are restricted. Remember to turn off airplane mode when you're ready to start receiving calls and messages again. Hope you found this guide useful, and thank you for watching.